Guys, earning money on social media is very simple, but it needs you to be very attentive. Do you want to earn $200? Do you want to earn $100? You want to earn $1? It is all up to you. For me, I chose to make sure that I earn on a daily basis. I don't care how much it is, but I have at least my estimated target at the end of the month. I'm very sure that I have to get my expenses. They should be coming from social media. When I'm talking about social media, I'm talking about YouTube, I'm talking about Facebook, I'm talking about TikTok, but TikTok is very small. It is only for educational purposes and socializing purposes, and also to make sure that we change the narrative that not everybody that goes on TikTok is just to show your thighs, to show your beauty, to look for men, to ask for data, to ask. No. You can use also TikTok to make friends. And these friends, I mean the friends who can take you to the destined, desired, and productive venture. So this is what I'm talking about. If you know you're on social media today, you can decide to make money. Now, what has helped me? It is a bit difficult, you guys. This video is going to be very short. It is a courtesy call. I call them a courtesy call. By the way, welcome to this mind-blowing video. And this is Christine. You can call me Immaculate on Immaculate Show, whereby we say we cannot hold our phones, our smartphones, and beg for bread. You should not hold a smartphone, irrespective of how much it is, and at the end of the month, you are not getting salary out of this. No. I say no to it. And even my associates who are near me, to the people who follow me, I love you so much. And to the most engagers, you know I love you, especially for YouTube. Let's dine together at the end of the month. So it is not simple at all. And I want to encourage out somebody who wants to make money on social media. It's like any other business, but it's better than your job. Because you can decide, I have to earn on a monthly basis, and how much should I earn? This is the amount of money that is not involving people. You don't need to beg anybody to watch your video. You don't need to beg anybody to follow you up, to subscribe. What you need to give value. So what makes me come every day? I'm going to give you 4 to 5 tricks, or the things that have helped me to come every day, such that you should not put that excuse, say, no, it is hard, you cannot do it. If you can sit on live from one live to another on TikTok, and you find in a day you have sat on TikTok for more than 7 hours, if you can sit on live on Facebook, why not do this? This is my tricks, and these are my good points, my strength that I have used to make sure I come every day. The first one is about dressing. You guys, when you're starting social media, there's that excitement that you get. There are some people, you will even get dates, you will even spend your hard-earned income, like a small money, looking for a cloth to put on. What I discovered one time, I was on YouTube, and there's this, my mentors, I see them putting on one t-shirt. I always ask myself, why? Do you mean they don't have clothes? No. They have. But they want to reduce the pressure of dressing up. You know, most people take a lot of time in makeup, in dressing, in where they are going to shoot from. All that, they take a lot of time. Instead of taking 30 minutes on a video, they will take 2 hours on a video. But this, mind you, it will depend on which type of content. Our next video, I think after 2 days, it will be about what is content. It will depend on which type of content that you give. For people who are giving a sit-down content, tutorial, education, how to do videos, then videos, you know, there are some people who are doing like analyzing. There are some people who are giving reviews. I'm talking to you. You don't need to suffer with makeup, what to put on. It can come once in a while. But what I did, I decided to get a branded t-shirts. You've been seeing, I think I removed it in the background. Immaculate Show has a branded t-shirt. You can, even if you're not a brand, you are an individual, you can decide to get one t-shirt, one color. If you people will ask, don't you have clothes? No, don't mind, those are immature ones. You just get one color. Like me, I have a black and I have white. One is just plain, another one is branded as Immaculate Show. That one is going to save you a lot of things. That is one, the first trick. So you will not take a lot of time, like especially ladies, you'll find it, the whole wardrobe, you put it down. You'd even reach an extent of thinking, I've used this dress for several times, and you're wasting money in time. Don't mind about my background, I know the AC is a bit high. The second trick I've used is to use AI bots, ChatGPT. Whenever I get my ideas, I run and tell ChatGPT to script for me. When ChatGPT scripts for me, it means I get less hours on making a video. Do you see that when I'm making a video, I'm very sure and I'm confident, I'm looking in the video, because everything is within me. I'm not going to memorize and say, what did I write down? So when I feed ChatGPT my idea and what I want, what I feel I should give you, it scripts for me. Then I look into it. After looking into it, I say, what should I start? Which one is a catch point I bring here? That is the second one. The third one, for people who sit down, please don't be lied about the places, location, your studio. Anything can be your studio. You see where I'm seated is my studio. The moment you come to light, there's no need to show your house, unless if you're in a get ready or tutorial. Okay, in lifestyle, or you want to show your house, but it's not necessary. That's why most people, you're failing because you say, oh, my place, why I stay? No, you don't need to know how I sleep. You don't need to know my living room. What you need to know is where I am. So it becomes comfortable and it is branded. People know this is this is her studio. So that one has eased my work. Another point, what has eased my work is bunch recording, bunch shooting. I always shoot 5 to 6 videos. I have 1 day off in the 7 days. I work 9 to 12 hours. You might ask yourself, how do you do it? By the way, yes, I have a group as in terms of management, but it is not that very tight. So what I do bunch recording and I schedule them. That makes me be very consistent. It makes me be very confident. It makes me know that a day will not end without me adding on the target money that I want. Come to think of it, why do you think I come every day? This is another thing I should tell you. If you want to come every day and you want to make money, do what you love. Speak what you want to give people or what you want to fight. Because every day when you do what you love, where your passion is, I mean your niche should be in an area where your passion loves. That will make you be perfect to the extent that even if they knock on you like this, papa, wake up. You saw the video I made previous day before this. I think it is a video before this. I was at work and I discovered that I had not scheduled a video for that day. Then I'm like, oh my God, what should I do? I should never miss a day. If I cannot miss going to work, then I should not miss posting a video. So I just said, okay, let me come out of the house, of the office. As I walked down on escalators, my mind already was like, I can do this because this is my passion. You guys, I hate poverty. And anything I will see like this that can bring, if I can get that wall clock, I put it on market. You give me money, not for eating, not for buying a cloth, but for an investment, I'll do it. So I walked out, I'm like, okay, how do I do a video in this noise? I can do a video like this. I can do a video like this. Is what we call what you love. Last but not least, don't focus on your friends, on your relatives. If you don't put them aside, work will be very easy, because you'll not be hurt, you'll not be resented. Thank you very much. Let me see you in another video, but don't forget to like this video, to share it to your friends.